Once upon a time, there used to be a beautiful village. In that village, there lived a young man named Bharat. Bharat was very polite and humble, but a poor man. Bharat was very thoughtful and had a very few friends in his life who were living in his neighborhood. Whenever Bharat went somewhere with his friends, other people would respect and honor all Bharat's friends. But Bharat did not get the same respect and honor. One day, when Bharat did not feel good at home, then he went to a nearby river of his village. He reached there with a very heavy heart and disturbed mind. He started wondering there why people don't respect others and why people went on humiliating others without any proper reason. Why is the behavior of this world based on humiliating and insulting each other? Bharat rushed to his old Zen master, who was highly capable of resolving such types of materialistic miseries. The old Zen master used to reside in his great and huge monastery. When Bharat reached the monastery, he saw that the Zen master was lost in his own deep meditation completely, and a few people were sitting at his feet to seek the master's guidance and advice. At first, Bharat sat down among those people and began to wait for his turn. When the Zen master opened his merciful eyes, he saw some people troubled by life's problems and sufferings. Now the master began to resolve everyone's sufferings one by one. When Bharat's turn came, Bharat stood up and bowed down before the master respectfully. And when the Zen master asked Bharat about his well-being, Bharat began to cry bitterly and poured out his heart before the master. Bharat said to the master, "Sir, no one respects me and neither considers me worthy of anything. Everyone takes me for granted, like my friends, family members, and relatives. Whenever I express my opinion on something among my friends, they ignore it, and sometimes they even make fun of me. I have the same condition among my family and relatives now. Now I am started believing that I am a person whom no one respects." Bharat further said, "Sir, whenever I go, people treat me like a man of no use." On hearing all this, the Zen master smiled warmly and asked Bharat, "My child, what do you want?" The Bharat said, "Sir, I want everyone to respect and value me. I want everyone to listen to my words with attention and never ignore me." On this, the Zen master said to Bharat, "No one can disrespect and humiliate anyone. No one can embarrass anyone until you allow people to do so to yourself." The Zen master further said, "Bharat, people humiliate and disrespect you because it is you who have made yourself weak by not making yourself strong and powerful. You are living in a world where most of the time the strong people harass the weak and helpless people. Just like a father insults his children, the husband insults his wife, the rich insults the poor, and the master insults his servant. Whoever is strong in this world, he insults the weak. You must have to understand this very deeply. Why people don't honor you? Why people don't look up to you? You have to figure out the attitude of people's mentality, the way they think, and the way how they look at things. That's why today I am going to impart you 5 such ways that if you enforce them well in your life, then people will bow down and salute you. Means people will take you seriously, respect you and listen to your words carefully, and will never try to ignore you again. Then listen carefully to these 5 life-changing and respect-bringing lessons. The first habit to learn is to say no to the people. If you agree with the people just to make them happy and look good in their eyes, then by doing so, you are only taking yourself down, because people start taking such a person for granted who says yes in everything. Those people who cannot say no to people, such people lose their self-respect, and this makes the other person feel that you have no thoughts of your own. You don't have any opinion of your own. You just keep saying yes to everyone all the time. And whenever you are unable to say no to anyone, then people also stop taking your consent in any work, because they think that what is there to ask him? He will definitely agree. And when you start saying yes to every task of the people, then people stop respecting your time and they will start giving you the work which they could have done themselves. So, learn to say no when necessary. The second habit you have to learn is that you have to stop complaining. Bharat, because every person is already having some or other problem in their life, but no one likes the person who keeps complaining and crying all the time about his problems. Everyone runs away from him. Everyone wants to get rid of him, because everyone is already engrossed in the problems of their lives. So they need someone who can make them laugh, make them feel good, lighten the burden of their mind, and take them away from their problem for a while. But not such a person who keeps crying in front of him about his problems and sorrows of life. So stop complaining and try to find a solution to your every problem by yourself. Moreover, there is no point in telling people your problems of life, as they will either make fun of you behind your back or start running away from you. Therefore, if you want to maintain your self-respect and be respected by people, then give up the habit of complaining all the time. Thereafter, the Zen master told Bharat the third habit of getting people's respect. The Zen master said to Bharat, don't always be available to people. If you are always available to everyone, then people will stop respecting you and people will start considering you a piece of trash. Bharat, no matter how valuable we consider anyone in our life, no matter how much importance we give the person in front, consider us useless. Bharat, when we give more importance to someone in our life, then we lose our respect and importance in that person's life. Bharat, always remember that in this world, the one who is less available is valuable than the one who is more available has no value. Just like a person cannot live without water, but he does not value water due to its more availability. On the other hand, a person can live without a precious diamond, but consider it more valuable than water. due to its less availability. That's why the less available you are to the people, the more people will seek you out, the more people will respect you. Fourth habit: always do what you have said. Always remember that no one likes dishonest and unreliable person. If you want people to respect you, value you, and give you due respect, then never make false promises and false words to anyone. Do not lie and fulfill what you have said at any cost. If you are true to your words, then everyone will definitely respect you. If you lie to the people, then respect is a big thing. No one will believe in you, even for a moment. The Zen master stopped for a while and said, Bharat, it takes years to build respect, but we lose it easily because of our small mistakes and bad habits. This is also a because of which people do not respect us. After imparting these 4 valuable lessons to Bharat, the Zen master told Bharat the last habit to get honored and respect. The master said to Bharat, My child, one of the biggest reasons for our humiliation in this world and society is our poverty. Bharat, a poor man in this world, has no friend nor any relative. He gets insult and embarrassment everywhere in this world at every step of his life. In such situation, a poor person starts considering himself a curse. Moreover, the biggest insult a poor person has to face in his life is in his own home. When the news spreads around us that we do not have money, then everyone starts the looking at us with pity. For a poor person, living in this world is like walking on the path of thorns. So, develop some such quality in yourself with the help of which you can get out of this poverty trap. This is also a big reason due to which no one respects you. If you want everyone to respect you, value you, then you will have to change yourself. You will have to make yourself the best version of yourself. And then you will be able to see people respecting you, valuing you. After saying all this, the Zen master stopped preaching and blessed him with a bright and happy future life, where there will be no more disrespect for him. After blessing Bharat, the Zen master began to meditate again. Now Bharat stood up and thanked the master for imparting him these 5 immortal lessons. Bharat again bowed respectfully before the master and returned from there. Now Bharat applied all the 5 teachings of the Zen master into his life, and in no time he was able to see incoming big changes that brought respect, honor, and valuation in his life. And this completely changed Bharat's life. Now everyone started respecting and honoring him. People also began to see him as a man of high values. In this way, Bharat had achieved the people's respect which he always wanted to achieve. So friends, from today's story, we should learn that if you want to respect yourself and increase your value, then there is no need to change anyone else. Rather, change yourself, change your bad habits, and then there will be a change within yourself. You will see changes which will definitely increase your respect in the society and the world. I hope you like this motivational story. If you like this story, don't forget to like my video and please subscribe to my channel for more motivational videos. Till then, do not stop and work hard.